spring breakers were breaking all the rules, choosing social lives over social distancing.
I get corona, I get corona. At the end of the day, I'm not going to let it stop me from partying.
Clearly that's messed up. I need a haircut. Look at this. Look how bad this is. Like my hair is so bad. Like look how long my hair is. Okay, so let me show you what I got. Got this. I got Nutella, chips. There are people out there who are dying for toilet paper and hand sanitizer. But what I do instead is I buy chips and stuff.
Oh shit! Get over there. Get over there. Yeah, I swear off corona, man. I'm sanitized.
Sure?
I'm sanitized. I promise.
I got the cool care too.
Yo, I have a question to ask this. You said you have no kuttas on your here, right?
Are you going to call me a kutta?
No, what the hell is this?
Oh, bro.
You have this very small mirror here.
Oh yeah.
You know?
Small man for a small guy.
What can I say? Jesus Christ, how much are you gonna charge me for a haircut? Look at this, this is Gucci.
Yo, usually
Jesus Christ.
It's like 25, 35 bucks.
Yo,
but tonight,
I can't do this. Let's go.
Tonight with the Gucci key, this Gucci special, I'm gonna let you off for $100. That's
Yo, my God. Whenever you go to like a barber shop and you see like expensive things like this, I already got this and I have a call, my wife called.
Yo, I gotta go.
I'm telling mom,
Yo, I'm gonna take off the sideburns completely, right?
No, can you like merge it in?
Bro, but you're doing a bald face, it's gonna be skin.
So it's gonna look good?
No, I mean, if it's a skin fade, like if this is gonna be gone, right?
But don't make it like a straight line though.
Midas Cuts Grooming.
Okay, spell
and
that.
That's MIDAS, Cuts, CUTS, Grooming. Okay. If you can't spell grooming, don't bother following me.
Oh, big man!
Good corner block. Free?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Alright, bro, it was a nice end of session.
So, how do I feel about this? How scared am I? From scale to 1 to, this is good? Yeah. So from scale to 1 to 10, I'll probably say I'm solid 4. I'm more scared for my parents, my aunts, my uncle, because they're much older than I. And it's a strong chance for, people in that age range to get affected by it. So this is the stats in Canada. There's over 1,300 cases, 20 deaths, and 14 of them recovered. At lunchtime, I usually go to the gym, and I got an email from LA Fitness right over here, and it said that the gyms are now officially closed due to coronavirus. And I think that's the moment where I was like, holy shit, this is real, this is happening, no joke. And I had a meeting with my boss, and he said that for the next few weeks, for the next 3 weeks, I guess, we are going to be working from home. So we had to make sure that we're able to connect our home computer to work computer, and we can communicate with all of our coworkers. That's when I was like, okay, this is not a joke anymore. What's crazy for me is that knowing the fact that it's not just happening in Canada, it's happening in US, it's happening in UK, Asia, Middle East, Japan, China, everywhere. So it's just not one country that's facing this problem. So I found a couple of pictures on Facebook. People took pictures of downtown Toronto, how it's looking nowadays. And this is one of the busiest areas. It's This is the city hall. Usually you'll see a lot of tourists here, and you'll have like tens and thousands of people just, walking around here. And there are a lot of events that happens here. And then this is also the city hall. You go ice skating right over here, and look at this, nobody is here. This is the downtown Toronto. You'll see like hundreds and thousands of people in this area, and it's no one right now. This is the Toronto Eaton Center. As you can see, there's probably 4 or 5 people here. Again, Toronto Eaton Center. This is again the Young and Dundas. There's just this one person here and no one else. This is crazy. Everything is literally wiped out. It feels like Thanos came here, snapped his finger, and half of the population literally got wiped out in Canada. Please stay inside, wash your hands, be safe, don't spread this to anyone, and I guess I'll see you guys in another video. And I'm gonna try, because of this whole coronavirus, I'll post 3 videos per week. It's not gonna be exciting, I guess, but it's something. Okay, take care.